Hello everyone, in today's video I want to tell you about myself and the videos I will make. My name is Noor, I live in Turkey. I graduated from agricultural engineering in 2020. 2020 is the year I met clay and ceramics and other hobbies. Because of the COVID, another reason is that I have ADHD. You guys know ADHD is difficult. Maybe I can call it as difficult, but it's not really difficult because it's sometimes funny. I have so much energy and walking around and checking around and learning so many things. Actually, I love my disorder. In this time, I learned clay arts and epoxy arts. I made a lot of things in 4 years and upgraded myself. I learned so many techniques and which one very easy and cheap ways. I improved myself in art within 4 years because among all the other things I try to do, handicrafts were the activity that helped me focus the most and spend my energy. When I started teaching children between the ages of 4 11 this year, I thought, why not explain this over the internet? And I found myself opening YouTube page. I mean a Nunilog. Why I'm calling myself Nunilog on Instagram, on YouTube, because my one friend calling me Nuni. I mixed it with logic, so it become Nunilog. Nunilog is the meaning. Nuni is very logical. Generally, I will use clay, air dried clay, paper mache, and polymer clay as materials. We will also have classes on ceramic figures, like that. You know? You know who is this? Probably everyone watched Alice in Wonderland, and he is hater. Maybe why I like that kind of things, because of I like fairy tales, and I will show you it's from starting. I promise about it. So, in the future videos, we will make a lot of things. Like I said, of course, what kind of things we will make. This is one. I know camera is very close for now, but I want to share her face and her body and her skirt. In the future videos, we will make this one. We will make that kind of things. It's funny, isn't it? It's also using as candle with this part. I will show you this one. We will make that kind of things, and this is very funny turtle also. She's a turtle. I mean, she thinking she's a turtle because I made it. Another thing is this is very funny one beer. I don't know if you like it, but if you like it, sure, follow this. And this kind of things we will make. Also, we will make this kind paintings. I don't know if it will stay here. This kind of things. Sure. An example of a while making video. Some sample videos for diorama is coming soon. Watch me! And also diorama materials and miniatures like that. Here you go. You know, this is very teeny, almost. Let's shake it. Almost 5 centimeters or something like that for diorama. It's a palm tree. Sorry, it's not palm. It's pine tree. And apart from this, if you want any lessons, you can comment under the videos and contact me. Contact me via Instagram DM or via WhatsApp Messenger, and you can ask any question about anything you want. If you like, just add me and share me, because so many funny times waiting us. Anyway, in the future videos I will not speak anymore because why? Because I want to share music, losing my focus very fast. That's why I'm not talking. I mean if I'm doing something I can't speak. If I'm speaking, I can't do something because my focus is very fast losing. I have an ADHD. That's like anyway, guys. I hope you following me on YouTube page, on Instagram, and you help me grow. I will be very happy from now on. Thank you so much for listening me. See you soon in the future videos. I was want to tell a lot of things. You know, my mind is very confusing for now because I am speaking and I am trying to show you uh, like that. It's very teeny roses, and this will be my toy elephant. Probably it will be toy elephant. I make his body only for now. And this is an apple from Adam and Eve. He will bite it soon, very soon. Anyway, if you have watched me this far and like my lessons, you can support me by subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. If you don't like my lessons, I would appreciate it if you could tell me why in the comments too. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Na na na.